Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to share a new sounds ID for your Megaphone in Grow a Garden 2. So first you need to get a Megaphone, and it's a permanent gear that you can buy from gear shop for 8,000 cycles. And then when you have your own Megaphone, you can play custom sounds using sounds ID. And to use it, just equip your Megaphone and then just tap on this gear icon. And then in here you just need to enter your sound ID. For example, in here I want to use this ID. You can see it, and then after that just enter it. And to play the sounds, just tap on the microphone like this. I forgot about these sound names, but it sounds like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.